So I want to start making a stay-at-home dad narrative happy. Stay-at-home dad, in my words, is someone still making lots of money, but you're just, you're doing remote now. You're at home, you're doing work, you're with the kids, you're actually getting to see your life firsthand. So the side hustles and programs that I show you are exactly what I use to do that. There's so many different ones. In this case, it's one called GotBackUp. So this is your more useful product, so to say. Maybe you're someone not into educational products. Maybe you're someone not into health and wellness products. Here's something that everyone can use. You have a online cloud service and security. You have 6 terabytes that you can utilize throughout your family, so everyone can have their own account on your account. So 6 terabytes, just say I have a lot of stuff backed up and I'm not even touching 2 terabytes. So if we scroll down, here's just some features of God Backup. Secure storage. I think I pay around 9.89 for my actual backup. You can access files anywhere, so that's the power. So if I drop, I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see this, but if I drop down here, you can see that it's syncing. So there's two sides of Got Backup. You can sync everything real time. So this is just if you're someone that wants to access your data anywhere, you're gonna have access, and there's permanent storage. So if I open up my cloud and create a folder within the cloud, that's permanent storage. So everything I drag into that folder is permanently stored on the cloud. So if anything happens to my device, I have access, or any devices I have access. And you can do this on Apple, you can do this on Android, you can do this on PC, you can do this on Mac, you can do it on any device. So that's where this separates from any other backup service that you may have heard of. We have mobile apps where you can sync your phone as well and still, have access. So the power of this is you have access to this anywhere. So if you're out and you're like, oh man, I wanted to, work on something somewhere and I forgot to pick up my device, I left it at home, you can access it on whatever device, long as it's stored in the cloud. So if we scroll down, for customers, you have two sides of this. You have personal, 8.99, 1 terabyte backup, simple hassle free, or you have the family plan, which is just a better buy. You have 6 separate accounts. You have personal backup for each device, 9.97, priority support, easy to assign and manage each device. Um, and that's the power. But if you're someone that says you want to be beyond a customer, if you're someone that says I want to be a reseller, I want the resale rights to this, I want to offer this to people as well, I want to make money, which is why you're here anyway, stay at home dad. So here's just some of the benefits. It's a simple compensation plan, unlimited with frontline direct referrals. If you know nothing about that, just know you're able to have a lot of customers. Unlimited depth, power line, 200% commissions on month one. So if a customer or a rep comes in and buys the guy backup software, you're going to get around $22.90. You have 25% direct commissions after 1 month. So if someone renews and they keep their software, which you should, it's a backup. You're going to get 25% of that, and you're going to get 25% matching check bonuses of your direct referrals. So everyone that you refer to this software, you're going to get 25% of whatever they make. And if we scroll down here, you can go wide as you want. And the last thing that we have in here's how your 25% matching check power line pays you unlimited depth. You can see right here, sky's the limit if you want to, offer this. And we have another part of the compensation plan where they do like cycles. So that's more it's not complicated, but it's just, once you're building your team, one side is going to be pretty much you building your team. The other side is going to be, your weak leg, which in this company, there's spillover that happens pretty much. So it's nothing, you mainly just want to focus on you marketing your business, running your business online. And that's got backup. So if you want to be affiliate, it's actually going to be $49.97. So you're going to have that resale fee of $40, and you're going to pay for your first month membership, which is $9.97. So fairly inexpensive to start this side hustle, which is why everyone should be in this side hustle, even if life gets a little overwhelming. You still have a backup service that you can use every day, all day. That's the powerful aspect of having a software based business that's, you know, key to everyday a movement. So it's something that you're going to actually use every day. It's not something where if you get, you know, overwhelmed, you're not going to use it. This is something that everything is going to be backed up to. So if you don't want to lose nothing, if you want a hard drive that fell on you, you're going to have access to this. And I explain this to you in 5 minutes. So that's how simple this program is. I hope you enjoy this military grade. There's actually a big office in Texas that stores this, and there's actually a backup storage to the backup. So this is an amazing software. It's very simple. You just have to use it. A lot of people get in and they just don't, you know, use it, put the work in. Once you use it, you're going to see the value of it. And it's a simple talk. You can just refer people to here, or you can just, read off of this. It's really simple. It's not a hard side hustle. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Anyone, you know, looking to be a stay-at-home dad or a stay-at-home mom, I hope that you enjoy what we have right here with GotBackUp, and I hope you enjoy the software. If you have any questions, comment below on any social media you're seeing this video on. If you've seen it on YouTube, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and share this with someone. Even if you're not interested in it, share it with someone you might think is interested in it. And have an amazing day.